So I don't know why European teams are saying that they can't pay Osimhen that wages. As if Osimhen just started playing football today, or Osimhen is from academy, or Osimhen is 19 years old guy who has nothing to show, who never proved anything in world football. Guys, what is happening? Osimhen said no to Al-Hilal. That means Osimhen is not chasing the money. Yes, it means that way. Yes, he's not chasing the people. If Osimhen were to reach £850 a week, me, if they give me just £200,000 a week, I'm done with this is generational money. My super grand kicks, extra grand kicks, extra grand kicks, they are going to enjoy that money. Want to talk of £850,000 a week. So Osimhen is not chasing the money. There is something hiding. See, you see this Osimhen transfer. There is something different. Yes, I'm telling you, something is hiding under. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Suleiman Richman bin Daudi. In fact, guys, what is happening to Osimhen transfer? What is happening to Victor Osimhen transfer, guys? Osimhen said no to Al-Hilal. Finally, Victor Osimhen put Al-Hilal deal off. First, Al-Hilal came with 30 million salary per season. Osimhen said no to it. Second, they came with 35 million salary per season. He said no to it again. And the last offer was 45 million per season, salary per season. Osimhen said no to it again. And initially, information even came that Osimhen agreed personal terms, yes, to join Al-Hilal. But as we are speaking now, information said that the deal is off. Osimhen going to Al-Hilal is off. Guys, this is a confusion point. This is a big confusion. Because some of us, or one will say that, okay, because Osimhen can't get European team to play, maybe because of the wages, so for that matter, Saudi, they can pay that wages. Osimhen will go to Saudi, yes, and take that wages. Yes, as some people are saying, Osimhen is greedy, Osimhen is stingy, Osimhen is this and that. He's supposed to reduce the wages and join European team. But now, it is looking like the way we are looking at it, it is not that way it is going. Yes, because if we are saying that, okay, Osimhen want money, now here is the money, now this is the money, Osimhen said no to the money. Victor Osimhen said, I heard the final deal was to be that 850,000 every week Osimhen will be taken. But upon all this, across Europe, no player is taking even 600 or 700,000. Want to talk of 800 or 850,000. But still, Osimhen said no to it. Guys, now, what is the issue? What is the real deal here? Guys, because if we are saying that Osimhen want money, as some people are saying, then here's the money. He refused the money. So now, it means that Osimhen want to stay in Europe. Yes, because all these European teams, they don't want to sign him because of the wages, as they are saying. Because they can't pay that wages. But go and see the wages they are about to pay for Liverpool new signing, Wiz or Wiz. Yes, 400,000, more than 400. And Osimhen is not asking more than 400,000. At Chelsea, Osimhen just need, let's say, 250,000 or 200,000. But Chelsea want to pay 150 or 100. That is the issue. And they pay Wiz. Liverpool, they are going to pay Wiz 400,000. Yes, one bonuses even include. It is more than 400,000. But they say that they can't pay Osimhen the wages he wants in Europe. So guys, that means maybe Victor Osimhen want to stay in Europe. Maybe he want to compete in Europe. Yes, he want competitive football. He is 26 years of age. So one may say it makes sense. Yes, Osimhen not going to Saudi at this time. Maybe at his 30th, yes, 35 years, he can go there and make his money or and make the money. But Charlie, 26 years, looking at Victor Osimhen as a striker. Osimhen is one of the best strikers in the world. If we are going to count strikers, Osimhen will be top 3. If Osimhen is not first, he will be top 2nd or top 3rd. He is damn good. Osimhen can play for any team in this world. Any team that you can think about. Victor Osimhen, qualities, he can play for those teams, those elite teams, Chelsea, Bayern Munich, Real Madrid, Barcelona, wherever you can think. So some of us, we are surprised. A striker like this in the market, and nobody is willing to take a sacrifice. This is not even a sacrifice. This is just, he is asking for something that he deserves. Osimhen is asking for something that he deserves. Osimhen is a good player, good striker. He had the qualities. Look at all the goals that he scored over the past seasons. Napoli, currently this season at Galata. The guy is a proven striker. So I don't know why this kind of play. Even when you look at the transfer market or the football world, Osimhen is better than some strikers. More strikers in the market or footballing world. But they are playing at the elite level, taking the wages they want, they deserve. So I don't know why European teams are saying that they can't pay Osimhen that wages. As if Osimhen just started playing football today, or Osimhen is from academy, or Osimhen is 19 years old guy who has nothing to show, who never proved anything in world football. Guys, what is happening? Osimhen said no to Al-Hilal. That means Osimhen is not chasing the money. Yes, it means that way. Yes, he's not chasing the people. If Osimhen were to reach £850 a week, if they give me just £200,000 a week, I'm done with this is generational money. My super grand kicks, extra grand kicks, extra grand kicks, they are going to enjoy that money. Want to talk of £850,000 a week. So Osimhen is not chasing the money. There is something hiding. See, you see this Osimhen transfer. There is something different. Yes, I'm telling you. Something is hiding under. This is more than about a transfer. Yes, something is hiding under. And with the right time, we are going to hear everything. Those things will come out very soon. So guys, that means Osimhen wants to stay in Europe. Yes, because he still has contract at Napoli. I think 2 years or 3 years. So even if at the end of the day he will not leave Napoli, he will still be there under contract and they can't terminate it. No. He recently renewed it. Everything I agree. And this Osimhen transfer also, for me, his agent, I think he sacked him last season. All the blames is going to the agent too. You see the renewal he did at Napoli that season, that year, that was a big mistake from the agent. That is causing all this problem. Yes, imagine last season Osimhen was on free transfer. Let's say our owners will just take the sacrifice, okay, because he is coming on free, then let's increase the wages like Real Madrid and Mbappe. He came for free, they can give him any wages. So Osimhen renewed that contract, increasing his wages, and Napoli was thinking that maybe the next season they will sell him. Yes, Chelsea was ready to pay the 70 million or the 75 million, but the wages. And this waiting, like, I keep on saying it, I'm not a fan of it. Chelsea having a wage gap. That means we can attract, yes, quality players, experienced players, best players. We saw it. We missed so many signings because of this wage gap. Kvaratskhelia and co, Olise and co, Osimhen and co. Because of this wage gap, yes, we miss a lot of good. See, and if you want to compete as a team, you need this kind of players. I'm telling you, you need that experienced player, that proven strikers, that proven players. So guys, Victor Osimhen to Al-Hilal is off. And information said that Galatasaray also sent their package. So we are waiting to see Galatasaray on the list of Victor Osimhen. They want to let Osimhen stay, and Osimhen is still on the list. Yes, earlier this morning, information came from P Square. Yes, Obi Mikel about Osimhen. They are working undergrounds for Osimhen to join Chelsea. So Osimhen is still on the list of Chelsea and still on the list of Galatasaray. So now we are looking up to these two teams. Yes, we are watching, we are monitoring. Maybe at the end of the day, he may come to Chelsea or stay in Galatasaray. Then Galatasaray will sign him permanent. So guys, Victor Osimhen to Al-Hilal is off. Let me hear from you under the comment section, because for me, I'm confused. Yes, if we are saying that because of the wages, now the wages is there, he refused. So what did exactly Osimhen want? Or how can we explain Victor Osimhen transfer since last season up to now? Yes, Osimhen haven't get his final destination. So guys, if anything happen again during the course of the week or during the course of the season about Victor Osimhen transfer, yes, coming to Chelsea, what and what, I will update you. If anything happen again, I will update you. So please don't forget to do what? Hit the like button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm, and hit the subscription button. Yes, guys, let me hear from you under the comment section about Victor Osimhen coming to Chelsea. And let's come to the goalkeeper Chelsea interested to sign, Marc Maignan, stubborn AC Milan. You are getting our players for free, cheap fee. But when it's time for you to also give us your player, you are saying, no, we are making it difficult for us. I don't understand. Giroud free, Pulisic some cheap fee, Love to Stick some cheap fee, Tomori. And all these players are doing well for you there. They are performing. If you are watching and you are AC Milan fan, please tell your people to make the deal simple and easy for us to land your goalkeeper. If not, the next season you will be losing him for free. You will be losing him for free. Magnol next season he will be leaving on free. He will not renew the contract. And he want to come to Chelsea and win Champions League. He want to come to Chelsea and win Premier League, European trophies. And he want to put this young talented goalkeeper dream to an end. AC Milan, what is that? Make everything simple. See, this world is a simple place. Human beings are making it difficult. I'm telling you. AC Milan, let the guy come, collect the money, accept the money. We want Magnol. We want him to come and win the Champions League, to come and win the Club World Cup. So guys, Magnol deal, yes, Chelsea submitted from Fabrizio 50 million, and now Chelsea is waiting to hear from AC Milan their final decision whether they will now accept the 50 million or they will reject it again. We are waiting to see, guys. So that is the latest information for Mike Magnol, and Chelsea want to land him or sign him before the club tournament start. And Tuesday will be the deadline. Yes, Tuesday. So Chelsea want to get the deal done before Tuesday. Yes. And let's come to Jamie Gittins. Initially, Chelsea submitted 35 million. Yes, and Borussia Dortmund rejected that also. This transfer window, I don't know why. Any team that Chelsea go to sign their player, they are proving it difficult. They want to use Chelsea for money. Look at Frankfurt and Ekitike, 100 million. How? Last season or the season, last 2 seasons, Chelsea were to sign Caicedo. Liverpool went and paid something small for McAllister. And when we went for Caicedo, they said 100 million or 80 million or 90. At the end of the day, Chelsea even signed him more than 100 million. I don't know why. Anytime Chelsea is going to sign a player, I don't know. Yes, the money back is there, but actually, we are spending according to. Yes, we are spending according to the player potential, his abilities, but not just spending anyhow. No. Yes, we spend, but we don't spend haphazardly like that, recklessly like that. No. So, guys, Jamie Gittins, Chelsea submitted 35 million, and Dortmund 150 million for their winger. So, Chelsea will go back for an improved offer. Yes, from Fabrizio, Chelsea will go and make improved offer, and I don't think Chelsea will meet the fee they are asking for. I don't think Chelsea will go that 50 million they are asking for. Maybe at least 40 million or 45. And 40 million, Dortmund, they have to take it. They have to take it. I'm telling you. Because the guy is a risky signing. We don't even know what he's coming to do. It's just like Madueke and co. The guy is not that player who is coming to Chelsea to change our front line or to be that prolific goal scorer, or he's just a he's 20 years of age, young player. He's not that proven. So 40 million is enough. It's okay. No. Anything more than 45 million, I will not agree. Anything more than 45 million, Chelsea should withdraw the offer. And Magnol deal, anything more than 18 million, and they refuse to answer or accept that fee, Chelsea should withdraw. Let's go with Petrovic. What is that? You are getting our players free. What is time for you to also help us? Just as small. You are making it difficult. So, guys, Jamie Gittins also transfer. Yes, Chelsea submitted 35 million. They rejected that. They want 15 million for their winger. Let me hear from you. Should Chelsea pay the money and get him? And let's come to the last man standing. Yes, Ekitike, Frankfurt striker. The negotiation is still ongoing. Negotiation talks between Frankfurt and Chelsea is still ongoing. Chelsea want to sign him, but Chelsea valuing him 67 million. And Frankfurt valued their striker 84 million to 100 million. Even 80 million, they will not accept. 84 or let me say 85 or 90. But Chelsea said for them, they see Ekitike to be 67 million striker or player. And that 67 million, for me, I still think it's too high. It's too high. If I were to be a sporting director, Charlie, the way I would do my signings, Charlie, no, the 67 million, they're supposed to take it. They have to take it. It's even better. Yes. Look at all the strikers in the market. Victor Osimhen, 70 million, and they are signing Ekitike 67 million. No. Because as I said already, all these players, we don't know what they are coming to do in Chelsea. Yes, we can't boost our chest that they are coming to give us the goals. They are coming to win us the Premier League or the Champions League. All these signings are risky signings. They may come and things work. They may come and things doesn't work. We don't know. Yes, for me, how many goals that I even score at Frankfurt? Even the league. You can't compare it to Chelsea. You playing good at Frankfurt doesn't mean that when you come to the Premier League, you can play or you can adapt. Or Chelsea, the pressure is totally different. They're demanding. Yes, you have to give your best every game, week in, week out in Chelsea. So these signings, Charlie, let's hope that all the players our owners are chasing for to sign at the end of the day, yes, they come and play, they come and deliver. And Liam Delap number 9, some people started crying that that case will come back. And Liam Delap said he doesn't trust partition. Yes, he doesn't believe that's partition. African juju, no, he doesn't believe. So let's hope he break the case, number 9 case, because Charlie, it's not easy. That our number 9, it look like village ghost. Yes, if you wait, you are going to sack. You can't play. So guys, that is the latest transfer news from Chelsea camp as we are speaking now. Let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought, and during the course of the day, if any news come, I will update you again. So please don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. Take care, peace.